Hello, I am Arthur, reporting for Classy News. The Department of Chinese and History at CityUHK recently invited the renowned mainland writer Mr Ma Boyong, a recipient of several prestigious awards, for the department's Visiting Scholar Lecture Series. The lecture is titled The Great and the Small in History. Mr. Ma began by highlighting the importance of storytelling in conveying information and preserving memory. He shared insights from his daily encounters with historical texts or artifacts, teaching the audience how to create work set against the backdrop of significant historical events by focusing on the clues or traces of history. Mr. Ma further analyzed a reference book about the answers to university entrance examinations published in 1937, revealing the mindset of students and the assessment practices of that era, demonstrating to the audience how to uncover the stories of ordinary individuals within significant historical contexts. The event concluded successfully with an engaging Q&A session, during which attendees inquired about Mr. Ma's writing journey and the challenges he has faced.